Hello guys, so explain ko ngayon sa inyo kung ano yung negosyo ng Live Good. Paano kumikita ng kahit walang invite. Paano nangyayari yon? So ito po yon. So kailangan mo mag-member, one-time membership $40. Okay? Then may monthly subscription. Parang Netflix. May monthly subscription. Parang Costco. May subscription para ma-enjoy mo yung murang product at the same time magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website. Magkano subscription? $9.95. So kung magjo-join ka, one-time membership plus first month, that is $49.95. Automatic affiliate ka na. Okay? So